Okay, these are the brake shoes I bought for my Bajaj Discover bike. The brand is ASK. It's a lot cheaper than the original shoe brakes, and it's very easily available. Here is the new brake shoe. Okay, here is the front wheel where we are going to change the brake shoe. To remove the front wheel you need only one spanner, 17 mm in size. There is this usable range for the brake shoe. Though the brake shoe is within the usable range, the braking is not good. That's why we are changing the brake shoe. First, I'm removing the brake wire, which is already installed. It's quite easy. You have to remove the screw and then pull it out. Then we have to remove the speedometer wire. There's a small screw holding the speedometer wire. You have to unscrew it first. After removing the screw, you have to remove this clamp. Then we can directly pull out the speedometer cable. There will be a speedometer gear inside and don't disturb it. Now we are removing the lock nut. You have to gently tap the screw and pull it out to the other side. Once the screw is removed, the wheel comes out very easily. There is a small collar attached to one side. Remove it and keep it safe. Here is the part where you have to change the brake shoe. This is the wheel hub. Though there is a little bit of lining, it doesn't seem to brake efficiently, so I am changing it. This is a speedometer gear. It's better not to disturb the arrangement. This is how the brake lever operates. Once you press it, it rotates a cam which applies the brake to the wheel drum. Removing it is pretty much easy. A small spring holds the brakes. just lifting it, the brake shoes will come out very easily. Here are the new brake shoes. These springs are important. You have to take it from the old brake shoe and put it on the new brake shoes. Like this. This is the only difficult part in changing the brake shoe. Everything else is very much pretty simple. We have to do it exactly as shown in the video. It's a little bit tricky, but can be done easily. That's it. Now we have to definitely clean the wheel hub, and it should be free from sand or any other particles. Applying a bit of grease to the speedometer gear is a good thing. You are not going to open the wheel often. After cleaning the hub and applying the grease, you can place the whole part in the wheel again and you have to fix it back to the bike. That's it, guys. Pretty much simple. You can do it yourself.